Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. It's now time for your midday sports roundup. Here's Renata Brown.
General Secretary of the Jamaican Football Federation, Dennis Chung, has confirmed seeing a damning resignation letter from Marvin Tate that was sent to former employers, the Kingston and St. Andrew Football Association, CASAFA, which alleges there are financial irregularities in the organization. In a letter sent to TVJ Sports on Tuesday night, Tate announced his immediate resignation from the General Secretary post at CASAFA and outlined 5 areas of concern within the body, 2 of which question the financial integrity of the association. The letter was copied to Chung, who told TVJ Sports that the allegations were not something the JFF would get involved in at this time.
I don't want to assume that what he's saying is true or what they're saying is true. That's an internal issue that they need to resolve. I don't think that extends to me right now. Our constitution clearly states that our member obligations are, and those are the obligations that our members have to us in terms of their internal matters and how they sort that out. They need to resolve that. That's not something for the JFF to deal with.
When contacted on Tuesday night, CASAFA President Mark Bennett said he will seek legal advice.
All of this is a smoke screen, and I'm utterly disappointed with Mr. Tate. But again, on reflection, I should not be surprised. Mr. Tate sought to serve in this organization, and I gladly accept based on his background. But I'm hugely disappointed with him. And I am going to seek legal advice on this matter.
Bennett told TVJ Sports that he actually requested Tate's resignation from December 20th last year on the basis of non-performance. Record champions Liverpool and Tottenham Hotspur will both look to grab the early advantage in their 2-legged English League Cup semi-final tie when they meet at the Tottenham Hotspur Stadium this afternoon. 10-time champions Liverpool will enter the game as favourites, having won their most recent meeting 6-3 at the same venue. The Reds have also only lost once in their last 17 meetings with Tottenham. The match is set to kick off at 3 p.m. with a return leg set for February 6. On Tuesday, Newcastle United defeated Arsenal 2-0 at the Emirates Stadium in their first leg semi-final match. Finally, President of Cricket West Indies, Dr. Kishore Shallow, has not explicitly condemned the idea of the Caribbean nation being forced to play exclusively against smaller test-playing nations should talks of a 2-tiered system materialize in the coming years. Speaking on the Mason Guest show in Barbados on Tuesday night, Shallow said while talks of a 2-tiered test system is not new, he's unaware of it being discussed at the International Cricket Council level in recent years.
Whatever decision I support at the ICC level must be in alignment with what is best for West Indies cricket and cricket by extension across the globe, right? That is the position I hold. I'm sure that if this matter were to reach ICC, it will be well ventilated and, all the facts and rationale for whatever position would come before us and we'll make a decision then. But again, I repeat, rest assured that whatever decision I make in terms of support will be in the interest of cricket.
The new format would see the West Indies playing in Division 2 along with Bangladesh, Ireland, Afghanistan and Zimbabwe, while the first tier would comprise Australia, England, India, New Zealand, South Africa and Sri Lanka as well as Pakistan. According to reports, Chairman of the ICC, Josh Shah, is set to confer with Mike Baird, Chairman of Cricket Australia, and Richard Thompson, Chair of the England Cricket Board, later this month. And that's it for your Midday Sports. I'm Renata Brown.
And that concludes the Midday News Package. I'm Sandy Williams. Join us again for the Primetime News Package at 7. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.